Hey everyone, welcome to the Viva Las Connections flight. And I'm here today to show you a few things on how you can get started on Viva Connections. All right, let's get right into it. So before we talk about connections, let me just remind you about the other few things that come with Viva. These are the pillars. Insights. Insights is going to allow you to get an idea on how well you have managed your time, how well you have focused on getting to the tasks that have been assigned to you. So Viva is really looking out for, or Viva Insights is looking out for your productivity, and it's also looking out for your well-being. Great application. You might have seen this before inside Outlook as Insights, but it's coming to Teams and it's going to be action-packed in the future. Topics. Topics is new. Viva Topics automatically curates frequently accessed terms, words in your organization, presents you with a nice page inside SharePoint that can easily give you contacts about who to reach out about that, find documents related about that, and those insights combined will let you be more productive without having to always ask a question or reach out to people to get some information when it's right there. When it comes to improving your own knowledge about the organization, the Learning Hub will be a great place to access videos and content that will allow you to get more knowledge around how your organization needs you to understand its processes, policies, procedures, also including other software-based training help as well. And last, connections. So connections is available today, and that's why I'm going to be showing you in just a second how you can get started. So let's get right into it and show you what connections is. So first, let's take a look at what it looks like inside Teams. So you'll notice I have the Teams desktop app open. At the top left, you'll see Viva Connections. You might notice that my icon is colorful. I'm going to show you how to change that as well. But essentially, Viva Connections is taking your modern intranet and putting it right inside Teams, pinned at the top, easily accessible, so you don't have to leave Teams to quickly access organization content. Now, as I have clicked into this page, I've actually loaded Learning Pathways, which is a great site to get started on how to use Microsoft software. I'm just going to click into a few pages in here just to show you how I'm inside the Teams content, and I'm browsing through media or videos on how to use Teams. Now, of course, you could customize this to your organization needs on how you see fit. Another really cool thing is that icon I was talking about. So what I had done is the package that I'll show you in a moment how to deploy, I customized it. Using App Studio, you are able to open up the package, which is a zip file, import it in here, and you could update the icons. So what I've done is I've added a full color image and a transparent background for the icon that appears up there. Once I did that, I redistributed it and installed it in my tenant. And that's how the icon looks that way. So hopefully you like that little tweak, which could personalize that. Now, the website, I'll drop a link, but let me just show you essentially to get started with Viva Connections. There are two steps that would get you there. So the first thing is the introduction of the SharePoint app bar. So the purpose of the SharePoint app bar is to really create a global navigation inside your SharePoint site so that you don't have to worry about all the modern sites that you have and providing links back and forth between sites. So set up a global navigation or the SharePoint app bar will get you started on providing like a cascading slide, drop down as well, navigation structure on the left. So in these instructions, you would set a communication site and as as the one that would be your home site, and then that will allow you to turn on the global navigation. And once that's enabled, you will be able to see the navigation structure as seen in the screenshot here. Now, once you've done that, then you get to the fun part, which is taking this SharePoint intranet mode inside and packaging it into Viva Connections for the desktop. So to do this, there's a PowerShell script, and it's pretty straightforward. It allows you to enter a few parameters, such as your company name, your name of your site, what the images are, and it will create a package at the end, which you can upload into Teams in your, you could put it in your app catalog so everyone can see that. Or you could just publish it to yourself so that you could test and see what this looks like. It's really cool. Once you've done this and you've pinned it to Teams, you will be able to come back here inside your application and you'll be able to see Viva Connections right up there. So Viva Connections, a great place to start the journey with Viva. And you can build on this with topics and insights and learning as well. That's going to be released. So I'm going to play a quick video that I thought summarized Viva better than I can. So hang in there for 2 minutes and let me just show you how Viva Connections can help you.
Microsoft Viva Connections is your digital gateway to creating a rich, modern employee experience. It helps your entire organization stay engaged and gives everyone access to the tools they need to succeed. And it's personalized, appearing in the apps and devices your employees love and already use every day. Viva Connections provides them with a curated experience that includes relevant news, conversations, and other resources, all in one place. Get ready to transform your company culture by creating an inclusive environment. The seamless integration of Viva Connections and your company's communities means everyone can connect with each other and feel empowered to contribute their valuable thoughts and ideas. With Viva Connections, you can engage with your entire team, from the top floor to the shop floor, wherever they are and on any device. Use video and live events to showcase your important company moments and campaigns, share stories and messages in your authentic voice, and provide unique experiences for your employee groups and teams. Viva Connections also helps you target and schedule company news to the right people at the right time, based on your Microsoft Azure Active Directory groups. You can use your existing Microsoft Stream, SharePoint, Yammer, and Microsoft Teams infrastructures to deploy Viva Connections with minimal effort. You can even reinforce your organization's identity with custom branding. All your employees will have a streamlined experience for tackling those important tasks. Help them make the most of their precious time throughout the day before they need to return to helping customers or building products. Empower everyone to succeed. Viva Connections gives you the modern employee experience to keep your entire organization informed, connected, and inspired so they can bring their best to work every day.
Okay, so hopefully that was enticing to try. So go ahead, add that app bar, enable it on a communication site, pin it to Teams, and wait. We're going to unleash quite a few features with Connections with a dedicated mobile app as well, which will enrich that experience. So thanks for watching. Hopefully this was informative. Hopefully see you again next time. I'm going to jump back in my plane, get some in-flight entertainment, and I will see you next time. Have a great afternoon. Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching.